Good morning to one and all present here. I am N.Ramya Devi, working as Assistant Professor in SNS College of Engineering. Today I am going to share a small topic regarding a case study in web services. So before that, what is a web service? A web service is installed in the web server, and whenever the client requests for any service, so the web server has the servlets to process that client request, and then it will get the response from the web server to the client. So here this is the overall architecture of a web service. So the application code will be installed, and which is platform and language specific communication, and which will be installed in the web server, and then the application client will also available in all the clients. So in the internet communication model, so it is an client server communication model. So whenever a client requests for an HTTP request from the client side, the client will send the request to the web servers. So the web servers will process that request, and then the client gets the response back from the web server. So the server checks what type of request it has come from the client, and then it will process the request according to it, and then it will forward the HTTP request to a particular web service that is available in your web server. So the web server consists of lot of web services, and then the web services are written in a Java code called and with the help of servlets. So here, we have an service registry, service provider, and service consumer. So whenever the consumer wants to get any information, so the service consumer is binded with the service provider, and then the whatever this web services available are published in the service registry. So whenever we need any type of service from the web server, so the service is searched in the service registry by the service consumer, and then the service registry provides the information about the web services that is already available in the web servers, and then all the web services that is all available in the web servers are entered in the service registry, and which is published by the service provider, and which is again binded by your service consumer. So and this triangle relationship between the service registry, service consumer, and service provider is, so whenever a consumer needs any service, so it is finded in the service registry, and then the service consumer binded the service with the service provider, and the service provider again publish the new services that whenever it is available in your service registry, and that is registered in your service registry that is available in your web server. So it enables enterprises to quickly and dynamically discover and invoke the web services both internally and externally, like the yellow pages of a web services. So when like our telephone directory, the web services which is available in the yellow pages of your web server. For example, www.uddi.org and www.biomobi.org and www.xmethods.com are the examples of these web servers. So in which we have so many web services that is available in your service registry. And this is an example of an SOAP. So SOAP is the communication in your web services through so the web services understand only the SOAP messages. So SOAP is basically a communication protocol which is travel from your client to the server for the web services. So the SOAP consists of a header and then a body, and then the SOAP header has a header block, and then the SOAP body has message body. So the message body has full of fault handlers, and then all the SOAP header plus the SOAP body is all are binded in a SOAP envelope. So it is a combination of a .NET framework, web services, .NET enterprise services. The .NET framework consists of the common language runtime, the class libraries organized into easily comprehensible namespaces, and ASP.NET. and this is the compilation process in your web services. The first source code is compiled by using any language compiler, and then the code along with the metadata is again transferred to a JIT compiler and it is transferred into a native code. Thank you.